Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning. Learn English the easy way. Simple, clear, and practical. Practice every day and speak with confidence. Let's start. If you want to succeed in speaking English, you must have a plan. Hello, everyone. Let me ask you a simple question. How many of you want to speak English fluently? Maybe for your job, maybe for travel. Maybe for confidence, or maybe to change your life. Now, let me ask you a second question. How many of you actually have a clear plan to achieve it? You see, there's a big difference between wanting something and planning for it. Today, I want to share one powerful truth with you. If you want to succeed in speaking English, you must have a plan. Not just a dream. Not just motivation, a real, simple daily plan. Let me tell you a short story. There was a student named Dara. Dara wanted to speak English very badly. Every day he watched videos, he followed English pages, he even bought books. But after 1 year, nothing changed. Why? Because Dara had no plan. He learned randomly. One day vocabulary, another day grammar, then he stopped for a week, then started again. He was busy, confused, and frustrated. Then one day, he made a decision. He said, "I will stop learning randomly. I will make a plan." And his plan was very simple. Every day, 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes speaking, 10 new words, 5 sentences practice. That's it. No stress, no complicated system. But here is the important part. He did it every day. After 3 months, something amazing happened. He was not perfect, but he could speak. He was not fluent, but he was confident. Why? Because he followed a plan. My friends, success in English is not about talent. It is not about being smart. It is not even about having the best teacher. It is about consistency with a clear plan. Let me say that again. Consistency with a clear plan. Think about this. If you want to build a house, do you start without a plan? No. You need a blueprint. You need steps. Learning English is the same. Without a plan, you feel lost. With a plan, you feel in control. Now, I want to give you a simple plan you can start today. Step 1. Set a clear goal. Don't say, "I want to learn English." Say, "I want to speak English for 5 minutes confidently in 3 months." Clear, specific, possible. Step 2. Make a daily routine. Keep it simple. Listen to English every day, speak out loud every day, learn small vocabulary every day. Even 30 minutes is enough if you do it every day. Step 3. Practice speaking, not just thinking. Many learners understand English but cannot speak. Why? Because they only learn in their head. You must open your mouth. Talk to yourself. Talk to a friend. Talk in front of a mirror. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking now. Step 4. Track your progress. Write down what you learn. Record your voice. Compare your speaking after 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. You will see your improvement, and that will give you motivation. Let me be honest with you. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you don't want to practice. There will be days when you think, "My English is not improving." That is normal. But this is where your plan becomes powerful. Because when you don't feel motivated, your plan will guide you. You don't need to think. You just follow the plan. Remember this. Motivation starts you, but a plan keeps you going. So today, I challenge you. Don't just leave this room feeling inspired. Leave this room with a plan. A simple plan. A clear plan. A daily plan. Because your future English, your confidence, your opportunities, they all depend on what you do after today. If you want to succeed in speaking English, don't wait.
Don't guess. Don't learn randomly. Make a plan and follow it every day. Thank you for listening.